Hey there, foodies. James here from Bloggin Good Food. Today, we are diving into the world of sweet potato soup and exploring the best tasty mixes to elevate your culinary experience. Stay tuned for some delicious surprises. Classic elegance. Let's start with a classic creamy sweet potato soup with a dash of nutmeg and a swirl of coconut milk. Pure elegance in a bowl. Spicy twist. Feeling a bit adventurous, add a spicy kick. Imagine sweet potato soup with a hint of jalapeno and a squeeze of lime. Trust me, it's a game changer. Autumn warmth. As the leaves fall, cozy up with a bowl of sweet potato soup infused with cinnamon and a drizzle of maple syrup. It's like a warm hug for your taste buds. Mediterranean fusion. Transport your taste buds to the Mediterranean. Picture sweet potato soup with a sprinkle of oregano, a touch of feta, and a splash of olive oil. Exotic citrus. Let's embrace the exotic, zesty sweet potato soup with a burst of orange zest and a hint of coriander. A citrusy symphony for your taste buds. Herb garden delight. Bring the freshness of a herb garden into your soup. Imagine sweet potato soup with a medley of fresh herbs, thyme, rosemary, and a sprinkle of chives. It's a garden delight. Tex-Mex Fiesta. Spice up your soup game with a Tex-Mex feast. Dive into a bowl of sweet potato soup infused with the smoky chipotle, a sprinkle of cumin, and topped with crunchy tortilla strips. It's a fiesta for your taste buds. Asian fusion. Take your palate on a journey to the Far East. Imagine a bowl of sweet potato soup with a hint of ginger, a drizzle of sesame oil, and a garnish of sliced green onions. Asian fusion that's sure to delight. And there you have it, foodies. 6 tantalizing twists to transform your sweet potato soup into a culinary masterpiece. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more delicious journeys with Blogging Good Food. Until next time, happy cooking.